Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for daily notification. Benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural ingredient that's sparkling but often looks as a fine powder. This alkaline substance has anti-inflammation, antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal properties. But baking soda is effective when used for short times. Too much use can damage your skin and hair, and you should also do test on your hand to decide it is good for your skin or sensitive to it. But baking soda has lots of other home uses and health benefits. 1. Fresh your breath. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda in a glass of water, swish, spit, and rinses your mouth. Easy mouthwash that diffuses odors. 2. Get rid of skin irritation. Add 1 cup of baking soda in bath water to soften your skin, and it also removes skin irritations. 3. Simple floor cleaner. Best for floor cleaning. Put 1/2 cup baking soda in a container of warm water and with help mop clean your floors. 4. Cut grease naturally. Add a full large spoon of baking soda into your regular dish soap and let soak for some time. Baking soda helps cut grease and make it easier to clean. 5. Easy microwave cleaning. Sprinkle a little baking soda on a wet cloth and gently clean microwave mess and fresh. 6. Best oven cleaner. Sprinkle baking soda on the bottom surface of your oven. Spray with a water bottle to wet the baking soda. Leave this mixture for overnight and then clean in the morning. Wash thoroughly. 7. Boost your washing detergent. Add baking soda to your laundry to help soften the clothes cleaner and fresher. Mix 1/2 cup of baking soda to your laundry and make your detergent best for washing. 8. Remove oil and grease. Sprinkle baking soda on the oil and grease stains. Scrub with a wet brush and wash thoroughly. 9. Keep flowers fresher. Keep flowers fresher for a long time. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the water in the flowers vase. 10. Wash foods. Mix 1/2 cup of baking soda in a sink and fill with water. Wash your fruits and vegetables in the mixture, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. 11. Fresh the refrigerator. Put a bowl full of baking soda in the back of your refrigerator to help neutralize odors. Make sure to change baking soda twice a month. 12. Air freshener. Most air fresheners on the market have full of toxics that you shouldn't use in the room. But you can make the wonderful and easy air freshener with baking soda and then put some drops of essential oils. 13. Easy soft scrub. Sprinkle a little baking soda on your sinks, tubs, and tile and then wipe with a clean wet cloth. Wash and dry. 14. Clean your brushes and combs. Baking soda helps naturally to remove oils and clean your combs and brushes. Just soak in the mixture about 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cup of water. Wash and dry thoroughly. 15. Exfoliate gently. You can gently get rid of dead skin. Mix 3 parts of baking soda to 1 part water. Scrub gently in a circular motion and then wash with clean water. 16. Sparkle your teeth. Most people use baking soda as natural toothpaste, but it can be irritating for everyday use. You can use often and it will help to sparkle and whiten your teeth because it is the simple and effective way. Add a little baking soda to your normal toothpaste. 17. Clean your home walls. Put baking soda to a little wet cloth and scrub gently, then wipe off with a clean and dry cloth. 18. Neutralize gassy beans. Put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in the water, mix well and soak beans to avoid gassy issue and improve digestion. 19. Clean sponges. Soak sponges in 4 tablespoons of baking soda, mix in 1 quart of warm water to remove the mess. 20. Freshen drains. To clean your sink and tub drains, pour 1/2 cup of baking soda down the drain, while running warm tap water. It will neutralize acid and simple odors for a fresh drain.